Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the world of AI and how it's going to revolutionize the building component manufacturing industry.
Yeah, it's really fascinating to see how AI is going from, like a futuristic concept to a practical tool that has the power to really reshape industries.
Absolutely. And to guide us through this exciting landscape, we're going to be tapping into the insights of Q4US.
Okay.
They are a company that's making waves in this space. Not only do they specialize in developing software solutions specifically for building component manufacturers, but they are also leading the charge when it comes to digital transformation for the entire industry.
Yeah, they have a deep understanding of the unique needs and challenges faced by building component manufacturers.
Absolutely. And their expertise is going to be super valuable as we kind of untack this complex and rapidly evolving field. Think about it, streamlining operations, boosting efficiency, even predicting future needs, all thanks to AI.
It's pretty mind-blowing.
It really is. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, I think it's helpful to understand how AI has kind of evolved to reach this point.
Yeah, for sure.
Q4US provided a visual in their presentation that I think really helps illustrate this. Kind of maps out the different phases of AI development.
Yeah, it's a great visual. It shows how we've progressed from those early rule-based systems to the sophisticated machine learning and deep learning algorithms that we have today.
It's incredible how far we've come, and what's even more exciting is that AI is no longer just a nice-to-have for businesses. Q4US makes a strong case for why AI is becoming a necessity for staying competitive.
Yeah, they really highlight how AI can help achieve efficiency cost savings and improve quality, which are all critical in today's fast-paced market.
One of the things that really impressed me about Q4US is how they break down AI implementation into a clear and actionable life cycle.
Right.
They outline 8 key stages that provide a roadmap for businesses to follow.
This life cycle is really crucial for demystifying AI adoption. It starts with identifying the problem that you're trying to solve and building a strong business case for why AI is the right solution.
Makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
You wouldn't jump into a major construction project without a blueprint, and AI implementation is no different. You need a clear plan and a solid understanding of the goals you're trying to achieve.
Exactly. Then it's all about the data, collecting it, understanding it, and preparing it for analysis. This is where the foundation for your AI system is built.
Data is the lifeblood of AI, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like the raw material that gets transformed into powerful insights and predictions.
Exactly. And the quality of your data directly impacts the quality of your AI outcomes. Q4US really hammers home the importance of gathering, organizing, and automating your data collection processes.
That's a fantastic takeaway for anyone listening who's thinking about implementing AI. Start with your data, make sure it's accurate, organized, and readily accessible.
For sure. Once you have that solid data foundation, the next stage is to develop and train your AI models. These models are essentially the brains of your AI system, the
Got it.
algorithms that learn from your data and make predictions or decisions.
So you're basically teaching the AI how to think and solve problems specific to your business.
Precisely. And this is where Q4Us's expertise in software development really shines. They have a deep understanding of how to build and train AI models that are tailored to the unique needs of the building component manufacturing industry.
It's like they're creating custom-made AI solutions that fit perfectly with their clients' operations.
Exactly. And once those models are developed, they need to be rigorously evaluated and validated to ensure accuracy and reliability.
Makes sense. You wouldn't want to roll out an AI system that's making faulty predictions or recommendations. It could have disastrous consequences.
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
And that's why Q4US emphasizes the importance of testing and refining AI models before they're deployed into real-world applications.
So it's all about striking the right balance between innovation and caution. You want to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI while also ensuring that the technology is being used safely and responsibly.
Exactly. And Q4Us's emphasis on ethical considerations is commendable. They're really setting a high bar for responsible AI development in the building component manufacturing industry.
It's great to see a company that's not just focused on the technical aspects of AI, but also on the ethical implications. That's really important as AI becomes more integrated into our businesses and lives.
For sure. And once the AI models have been thoroughly tested and validated, it's time for deployment and integration. This is where the AI system actually becomes part of your day-to-day operations.
It's exciting to think about how AI can seamlessly integrate into existing workflows and systems, making things more efficient and productive.
It really is. And Q4US has a lot of experience in this area, helping their clients smoothly integrate AI solutions into their businesses.
Their expertise in digital transformation is truly impressive. They're helping building component manufacturers navigate this technological shift with confidence.
But remember, the process doesn't stop there. AI is a constantly evolving field, and ongoing monitoring, maintenance, and improvement are crucial to ensure that your AI system continues to perform at its best.
So it's not like you just set it and forget it.
Yeah.
You need to keep an eye on things, make adjustments as needed, and always be looking for ways to optimize your AI system.
Exactly. And Q4US provides ongoing support to help their clients manage and refine their AI systems over time. They understand that AI is a journey, not a destination.
It's like having a trusted partner who's with you every step of the way.
And that partnership is especially valuable in such a dynamic and rapidly evolving field like AIQ. For us, is constantly staying ahead of the curve, researching and developing new solutions to meet the ever-changing needs of the building component manufacturing industry.
It's like they're a constant source of innovation and guidance, helping their clients navigate the complexities of AI and unlock its full potential.
Exactly. And their commitment to staying at the forefront of AI development is truly commendable. They're not just implementing existing solutions, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.
That's what makes them such a valuable partner for building component manufacturers who are looking to embrace the power of AI and drive their businesses forward.
Absolutely. And as we delve deeper into the specific applications of AI in the building component manufacturing industry, you'll see how Q4US is leading the charge in digital transformation, helping their clients achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency, productivity, and innovation.
I'm really excited to explore those specific use cases and see how AI is already making a tangible impact in the real world. It's going to be fascinating.
It certainly is. And as we move forward, keep in mind that Q4Us's insights provide a roadmap for navigating this exciting new era of AI-powered manufacturing. Their expertise, coupled with their commitment to responsible AI development, makes them a true leader in this space.
I couldn't agree more, but before we get into the specifics of how AI is being used in building component manufacturing, let's take a quick look at some of the practical AI tools that businesses can start using today. There's some really amazing tools out there that are becoming increasingly accessible, even for businesses that aren't tech giants.
You're absolutely right. And Q4Us highlighted a few in their presentation that I think are particularly relevant for our listeners.
I'm ears. Tell me more.
Well, one that really caught my attention was Microsoft Copilot. Have you heard of it?
I have. It's like having an AI assistant, right?
Exactly. It can automate tasks, help with writing, and even generate creative content. The potential applications for businesses, especially in a fast-paced industry like building component manufacturing, are enormous. Just imagine all the tedious tasks that could be automated, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic and creative work.
I was blown away when I first saw what Copilot could do. It's like having a superpowered assistant working alongside you.
Precisely. And for building component manufacturers who are dealing with complex designs, tight deadlines, and constant pressure to innovate, Copilot could be a game changer.
We'll definitely include a link in the show notes so our listeners can check out Microsoft Copilot for themselves.
And another tool that I thought was particularly relevant for our listeners is Google's Notebook LM. It's an AI-powered research tool that can summarize complex information from documents and even transcribe audio notes, which could be incredibly useful for staying on top of industry trends and research.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I can see how that would save a ton of time and effort for businesses trying to stay ahead of the curve.
Absolutely. And in an industry like building component manufacturing where innovation is key, having a tool like Notebook LM can be a huge advantage.
It's like having an AI research assistant that can sift through mountains of information and extract the most important insights.
Precisely. And we should also mention the growing field of AI agents.
Okay.
These are AI programs that can autonomously perform tasks like document analysis or even grammar correction.
So it's like having a whole team of AI specialists working behind the scenes to make your life easier.
Exactly. And there are some really accessible examples that listeners can explore, like the ones using ChatGPT that Q4Us linked to in their presentation. One is specifically for document analysis and the other is for grammar correction. We'll be sure to include those links as well.
That's fantastic. It's so exciting to see these real-world tools that anyone can start using today to leverage the power of AI. But with so many tools out there, it can be tough to know where to even begin.
That's true. And remember, AI isn't like a one-size-fits-all solution.
Right.
The best tools for your business really depend on your specific needs and goals.
Okay.
And that's why a company like Q4US, with their deep understanding of the building component manufacturing industry, can be so valuable.
Yeah.
They can guide you toward those AI solutions that will have the biggest impact for your business.
So how do you even go about choosing the right AI tools? What are some of the key considerations?
Well, first, you need to clearly define the problem that you're trying to solve or the area that you want to improve. What are your pain points? What are your goals?
Okay.
For example, are you struggling to meet production deadlines? Or are you looking to reduce material waste?
Right.
Once you have that clarity, you can start looking for tools that align with those objectives.
It's like building a house.
Yeah.
You wouldn't start construction without a clear plan of what you want to achieve.
Right.
The same goes for AI implementation.
Exactly.
You need that solid blueprint before you start laying the bricks, so to speak.
And just like you would choose different tools for different construction tasks, you need to select AI tools that are specifically designed to address your unique challenges.
Okay.
For instance, if you're looking to optimize your production processes, you might consider AI-powered scheduling and planning tools.
Huh.
Or if you're aiming to improve quality control, you might explore AI-powered vision systems that can detect defects in real time.
It's fascinating how AI can be applied to so many different aspects of the building component manufacturing process. And it seems like Q4US has a solution for just about every challenge. But I think the big question for a lot of businesses is, where do we even begin? How do we prepare for successful AI adoption?
That's where Q4Us's recommendations on getting started with AI come in. They emphasize the importance of fostering a culture of curiosity about AI within the workplace.
That's an interesting point. It's not just about implementing technology, it's about shifting mindsets.
Exactly, and part of that shift is ensuring your staff is prepared to work with AI. This involves developing both analytical and soft skills.
So it's not just about understanding the technology itself, it's about the human element of how we interact with AI.
Precisely. And this preparation needs to be strategic. Businesses should identify specific areas where AI can make the biggest impact rather than trying to apply it everywhere at once.
Makes sense to start with the low-hanging fruit, the areas where AI can deliver the most value quickly.
Exactly. And another key consideration is customer readiness. Are your customers comfortable with AI-driven solutions?
That's a really important point. AI adoption isn't just about internal processes, it also impacts how businesses interact with the outside world. You need to make sure your customers are on board with this technological shift.
Absolutely. And Q4US provides guidance on how to effectively communicate with customers about AI and address any concerns they might have.
It's great to see a company that's thinking about all the different aspects of AI adoption, from the technical to the human to the customer facing.
They really have a holistic approach, which is essential for successful AI implementation.
So we've covered a lot of ground here. We've explored the evolution of AI, the life cycle of implementation, specific examples of AI tools being used in building component manufacturing, and even how to get started with AI adoption.
It's clear that this is a field with immense potential.
It certainly is. And Q4US has provided us with some really valuable insights to help us navigate this exciting new era of AI-powered manufacturing.
They've really laid out a roadmap for success, highlighting the key considerations, best practices, and potential pitfalls to avoid.
I'm feeling incredibly energized by all of this. It's clear that AI is here to stay, and it's transforming industries like building component manufacturing in profound ways.
I completely agree. It's a truly exciting time to be witnessing this technological revolution unfold.